tracks and poles at Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited. Choose tracks and poles for style and value at leadinginteriors.com. Curtain poles and curtain rails are among the accessories that give an interior that all-important finishing touch. Whether it's pole sets or mix and match, you're sure to find the perfect curtain pole here. In addition to standard poles, we have poles without rings for tabtop or eyelet curtains, extendable poles, which are so easy to fit, and Polaris, the superb unicord corded pole by Swish. With finishes from burnished brass to matte metal and warm wood, your options are all wide open. From slim and trim tracks for space saving and simplicity, to fancy ferrules for a fashionable flourish, you won't be constrained for style. Traditional to contemporary brands from leading manufacturers. Decorative curtain poles for bays and special requirements, your problems could be solved, with mix and match options by Swish and leading brands. Fantastic range of finials and all the components you need, in a great range of color finishes. The natural beauty of wooden curtain poles in diameters of 28mm up to 50mm and in a wide range of color effects and special paint finishes. Our longest pole can cover 6 meters. Plenty of useful components too to meet all your requirements. For more information or to arrange a free home or office consultation with one of our interior specialists, please call us now on 0208 861 6364 or visit us Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited at Devonshire House, 582 Honeypot Lane, Stanmore, postcode HR7 1JS Middlesex. We offer ready-made and made-to-measure curtains, drapes, blinds for less cost to suit your budget, for all types of windows such as straight windows and bay windows. Trading with Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited will give you memories you will cherish for years.